In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payments on WordPress.com efficiently, ensuring you can start accepting transactions smoothly on your website. Let's dive right in and make the process as seamless as possible. To begin, go ahead and open your browser and type WordPress.com login into the search bar. Once the results come up, click on the link for WordPress.com everything you need to build your website. This step will take you to the login page where you can access your WordPress dashboard. After logging in, you'll want to direct your attention to your site's admin panel. You can do this by navigating to localhost WordPress WP admin, which leads you to the WordPress admin dashboard. In your dashboard, you'll see several options on the left-hand sidebar. Click on Plugins. Plugins are essential because they allow you to add extra features to your WordPress site, such as the ability to process payments. After selecting Plugins, the next step is to click on Add Plugin. This action allows you to browse through the extensive library of plugins available. Now, in the plugin search box, type in Payment Plugin for PayPal WooCommerce. This search is crucial as it directly relates to processing payments via PayPal, a widely trusted and used platform. Once you see the plugin Payment Plugins for PayPal WooCommerce, click on the Install button. It's important here to ensure you're downloading the correct plugin, as it will integrate PayPal with WooCommerce effectively. After you install the plugin, don't forget to activate it by clicking Activate. Activation ensures the plugin becomes functional on your website. Navigate again to the Installed Plugins section and locate your new payment plugin. Here, you need to click on Settings to configure the plugin's necessary options. Within the settings, you'll encounter the section labeled Environment. You'll need to set up this environment to match your needs. One of the critical steps involves connecting to PayPal. There, click on Connect to PayPal, and then select your relevant account settings details. Another important configuration is creating a webhook. A webhook allows your website to be notified about certain events, such as payment confirmations. Click Create Webhook and set up one as part of your process. Next, you'll need to enter your PayPal information. Begin with your production client ID followed by the production secret key. These credentials are vital for making your PayPal transaction secure and valid. Also, don't forget to configure the webhook URL and production webhook ID, ensuring everything is integrated correctly. Finally, once you've addressed all these settings, click the Save button to apply all your changes. By doing so, you've successfully set up payment processing on your WordPress site. Congratulations on taking this important step towards facilitating online transactions on your platform. This setup will not only streamline your sales process, but will also provide a trustworthy payment method for your customers. Happy selling!